For many people, it is convenient to use a phone or smartwatch as a credential. We call these smart credentials. Using these means that you can issue access permissions to people remotely without having to give them a physical token. Depending on the circumstances, using smart credentials can also be more convenient, lower cost, and more secure than using conventional tokens. Paxton10 has Bluetooth Smart technology built in across the entire range of readers. This means it's been designed from the ground up to work with your mobile devices. Paxton10 can operate in 3 distinct ways with mobile devices. In token mode, you must hold your device close to the reader just as you would with a token. In tap to enter mode, you simply tap the reader with your hand whilst your mobile device is within a metre or 2 range. In long range mode, simply bring your mobile device within 5 to 10 metres of the reader. In a busy area, this could result in a door opening unintentionally. For this reason, long range mode is likely to be most practical for car park barriers. When using smart credentials, it is necessary to set the mode you wish to use for each door. Navigate to a door and select Readers within the Configuration tab. Here, you can configure which smart credential mode you wish to use for each reader on that door. This is based upon the biometric identification supported by your handheld device. Issuing smart credentials to people is completely free and couldn't be simpler. Navigate to a person's record and select the Credential tab. Select Add New Credential and choose Smart Credential. If you have already entered the person's email address in their record, then the email field will be pre-populated. Otherwise, enter it here. Clicking OK will send an email to the person with all the information they need. They receive an email from Paxton10 and download the Paxton Key app. It's free. Then, they click on the link in the email to register. That's it. Here, we see our person driving into the car park. The barrier has a reader in long-range mode, and so the person's smart device is read from within the car. Our person now enters the main entrance using tap to enter mode. Their phone is read from their pocket as they tap the reader. Our person now enters a secure room and uses their phone in token mode. Finally, our person leaves their phone behind and gains access using their smartwatch. Simply press the watch complication, tap the reader and enter. Thanks for watching. For more information about Paxton10, have a look at some of our other videos.